Well, we're out here with the Lexus LFA. Now this car actually belongs to Lexus Australia to keep it very safe somewhere where none of us will ever see it. It is insured for over $1 million, and the reason for that is because there's only 500 of these. And this thing's got a 4.8 litre V10 with 412 kilowatts, and it'll go from 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds. Now I'm going to turn it on for you. One, because it stops beeping, and two, because I want you to hear how well this thing sounds. It even has a carbon fiber start button. Let's see how it sounds.